Alright.
Ayan, wala man lang po bang palakpak dyan? Ayan.
Para na medyo
Gutom ata sila.
natutunan na sila.
Nakakain na po ba tayo? Ay,
Ayan.
hindi para. Hindi.
Kasi may request kanina na ano yun?
I'll be over
I'll
you.
be over you.
I'll be
Oh,
over.
yung kakantahin daw yung nag-iisang kuko.
Nag-iisang kuko.
Marty.
Kaya lang ano eh. Ano yan? A song from Toto yan. Kaya lang hindi natin...
Oo. Baka may iba ka pong request, sir. Kasi medyo...
Okay. Sabihan nyo lang po kami kung ano pa yung mga request niyo dyan. Okay, at syempre, bago tayo tutugtog ulit, pakilala naman natin yung mga pangalan natin para makilala tayo. Ayan. Syempre, my name is Riza.
And I'm Rachel.
And I'm Brent. I am Glassy.
I'm Dean.
And I'm Chris.
Ayan.
And,
Syempre,
ayan, yung mga
rhythm,
gwapong rhythm
oo.
section natin.
Ayan.
Ang sax,
Uy, kaway naman dyan.
Kuya Romel.
Kuya
Romel, ang trumpet.
Kuya
Kaway naman.
Abet.
Ayan. Yung gwapong pianista natin.
Charlo.
Charlo. Ang bass.
GL.
Ang guitar.
RJ.
And ang drums.
Sir
Bobby.
Ayan.
Ayan, and syempre, kung sa mga hindi pa po nakakakilala sa amin, kami po ang The R&B and the Side Street Band. All the way from Carubayo lang Apo, San Nicolas.
Karuba, hanga Karuba. Talaga taga San Nicolas. Barangay 1 San Nicolas.
Ayan. At syempre, yun andun sa likod.
Oo.
Siya po yung engineer natin.
Yun.
Technician engineer natin.
Ayan, si
Yes.
Kuya
Engineer
Ray.
Ray.
DJ Ray. Ayan. Kaya medyo, hindi maganda yung sounds natin dahil sa kanya. Okay. Wala pa ako.
Yes, of course, we'd like to give you a song, I Can't Believe My Eyes by
Oy!
Air Supply.
Magpalakpakan naman kayo dyan. At pwede na kayong sumayaw. Sumayaw na kayo dito para masaya naman. Ma'am.
Heaven so long, 1,000 times. Through songs that no one else could even hear. How reaching to the flame of love. I couldn't hold it and it disappeared. How believe to learn to make it lose. How believe with everything but you. I can't believe my eyes. I see you here, looking just the way you should. Whoa, so good, it's too good to be true. I live my life to be lying here with you. Whoa, I can't believe my eyes. I felt the empty hands of death as they were stealing all my life away. I've heard the silence deep inside, waiting for words the lovers could not say. You turned a little into stone. With every day you live alone, I can't believe my eyes. I see you here, look it's too good, it's too good to be true. I live my life to be lying here with you. Whoa, still when I see you, I can't believe my eyes. I see you here, looking just the way you should. Whoa, it's too good, it's too good to be true. I believe my life to be lying here with you. Whoa, it's still when I see you, I can't believe my eyes. I see you here, looking just the way you should. Whoa, it's too good, it's too good to be true. I live my life to be lying here with you. Whoa, it's still when I see you, I can't believe my eyes.
Alright.
Thank you so much.
Yan na yung ipinalit natin sa ano,
Yung
I'll be
I'll be
over
over you.
Yan sana po
Yung,
nagustuhan ninyo.
I can't believe my eyes.
Yes.
Baka may mga request pa po kayo. Pwede niyong isigaw.
Oh, ayun, si Sir. Ano, Sir? Secret.
Secret.
Ah, antay. Hanak ka nung pala ibagbag.
Oh, secret.
Secret
Secret
by...
Sir. Okay lang, Sir.
By secret.
Si Sir naman, nag-secret pa.
Secret ko na.
Sabihin
Sige,
mo na, sir, kung ano yung request mo. May pa-secret
May
ka pa
pa-secret
dyan.
ka
Oh,
pa.
wag mo lang i-secret, sabihin mo na.
Secret.
Anong secret?
Secret
Aminin mo na, sir. Ano talaga yun?
O sige, Sir, pag-usapan natin yan mamaya.
Sir, para sa iyo to ha. Try namin tong ano, secret mo.
We lay too deep in life, just like two light that never cross. And here we are together, standing closer than we are. But really standing here untouched, too scared to make a move. We want so much to touch, and we can wait forever. We know it's dangerous for us to be together. How do we ever keep this secret? How do we keep it in the dark? And if we dare to take some weakness, how we can tear ourselves apart? So many times I've tried in vain to close my eyes and pray it goes away, but I can't stop myself from feeling. To let you go would be too much for me to take. How do we ever keep this secret? How do we keep it in the dark? And if we dare to take some weakness, how we can tear ourselves apart? Why do we keep this love together? Didn't we know right from the start that we would have to keep this secret or forever stay apart? I can't help thinking when you look into your eyes how much I need you. It's so hard to hide. How do we ever keep this secret? How do we keep it in the dark? And if we dare to take some weakness, how will we tear ourselves apart? Why do we keep this love together? Didn't we know right from the start that we would have to keep this secret or forever stay
Ayan, para sa iyo.
Palakpakan naman.
Sir, ureg palakpak ka lang kumama, sir.
Nagpalakpak na tayo.
Wow.
So, di mo
Rugi na
namin
belang nagpalakpak.
Sir, baka naman.
Diba? Malay natin
Baka
mamaya.
naman.
Mamaya
Sir.
pa yung mga
Sir,
blessings.
nalpas tayo karantan, sir.
Ayan.
Yaman.
And para sa mga gusto rin mag-request, ayan.
Oo.
Libre lang po. Kung meron, edi ayun.
Edi go.
Edi ko.
Ayan, baka dapat apo ti request yo.
Ayan.
Ayan si baby. Ala ni sir, maipatulog na pa lang.
Igatang
Naku,
ko
di
kini
ubig
Sikalat na, sir. Sirikan. Yes.
Sir naman, ikaw na lang.
Ay!
Ano request mo, sir?
Thank you po.
Sir. Sir.
Alam mo, sir, itong ano,
Ada ko manayan na tayo may isang nga series.
Pamasahe lang papuntang hospital.
uray na nagtigar na
Oo.
nakakita. Yati,
Kulang to, sir.
Pero maningay gadang mitian.
Madipay nga mabarinti
Pwede pa yung arkila dito, sir.
Kurang pa'y balikan deto yung sir. Nakakaya kayo.
Magmag na mapan ospital.
Ay, sige.
Down payment.
Pagkatapos ng kanta, when ko na.
Damdamo pa ilang, sir. Ala. Grabe,
Diyos ko.
bet.
Sa bagay, at sinagti ambulansya to eh.
Wow.
Ay, nga tamo to.
Kaya mo yan. Diyos ko, umagang-umaga, she's gone. Naman.
Tato yun.
Sir,
Baka naman. Sir, among dati, naudi nga nagkanta dito.
Ana, sabihin mo,
Na ospital.
Huy.
nawalan ng leeg.
Kawawa naman yung
Wow.
kakanta nito.
Kurang dito, sir. Intro lang. She's gone. Kung nagat ustunan.
O si Glessy daw yung kakanta.
Pang intro lang po to, sir. Hindi to
Sa mga kanta,
matatapos.
agawid ako. Natan.
ayan, sige, sige.
Ayan. O, baka naman may gustong kumanta po dyan.
Oo, sino po?
Nang she's gone.
Yung nag-request na lang.
Oo.
Oo.
Ay, asan
Ay,
na?
sino nga
sir?
po pala yung nag-request? Pakitaas po yung
Sir
kamay.
Ronald.
Pakantahin kaya natin
Sir,
si...
may cancer.
Si Ma'am Mildred.
Oh.
Sino ba si Ma'am Mildred? Hindi.
Sinasa kay Ma'am
Hindi,
Mildred.
ano pangalan ni Ma'am? Yung naka-orange.
Si Ma'am...
Ang sexy.
Jer-
Sana all.
MJ.
Ma'am
MJ. Ma'am, baka kaya
Ma'am
mo yung she's
MJ.
Oh, sasabayan ka namin.
Ika nung Sir Ronald mang kanta.
Dinamay pa natin si
Ay, na ni Sir Ronald po. Donald.
O yung
Onag.
anak na lang, yung anak, si...
Si Chas. Chas, halika.
Nasaan po?
Puune kayo mo, nagkatawa kayo mo lata.
ganito
Sir, uray ko nga mga rugudwa na latati. Anan ni.
Pang intro lang dito yung sir.
Nakatatid dugpay mo di intro na,
Ang
sir.
kamakadaw ng T-verse.
Intro lang.
Intro lang talaga. Pang intro lang yan. Naku, si sir naman. Wala na may... Okay, sige.
Ganito na lang. Sino po ba yung nag-request para alam namin kung sino yung sisingil?
Oo, yun na lang.
Oo.
Malapit
Ni
na.
sir, kumikinang-kinang yung yung leeg
Sir,
ni
kung wala pong cash, pwede na po yung nasa leeg.
Oo.
Ay!
Joke lang.
Hindi po kaya't sir, umay na ka.
Walang joke-joke dito. Malay mo.
Ayun. Sir.
Alam,
Diyos
sir, ano?
ko! Sir! Nakariingak pa eh. Nakariingak. Sige.
Ala, Ikon?
Nababurayan kami, sir.
Alao mo.
Wala
Ala,
pa daw,
Ikon,
wala.
Diyos ko.
Baka bawiin pa.
Bawian na, sir.
Alam mo naman.
Marami pang butas dito.
Ay! Alam! Para-paraan.
Para-paraan.
Andyan ka na.
Galing ah.
Anong gusto niya? Selfie?
Selfie, sir. Selfie. Ka.
Sir, dito na lang po kayo sa may ilaw.
Anda silaw dito yung
Medyo
sir
po
kasi kita
madilim
na
dyan.
signo. Oh, kita ng tadmet lang ni sir. Oh.
Ay.
1-1.
Thank you, sir. Sige.
Magkano ba yan? 1.5?
1-1.
Neta suplim.
May sukli pa.
Hindi. Kung nadanok ko, digiji agkasar, dapat katawan ti...
Butal na.
Butal.
Oo,
Manayon na.
kasi mati-day jay sir.
Buuan ta.
Dapat
Sige.
buuan yung ano. 1-1 dito apo.
Kurang pa iti 900 manan.
Oo.
Buuin tayo dito.
Pag-ada apo ti mang ted damdama. O sige. Buuin tayo
Data.
damdama din.
Buon tayo.
Galing
Sir,
ah.
dapat udi yung 900.
Awan. Iba. Tapos nagasgasan kayo.
Eto na po.
O, sige na. Eto na yung she's gone. Magsipalakpakan naman. Gusto namin yung malakas. Di kayo samat na nga ngamin. Sa balik samat kami kitkitaan nyo. Dito yung samat babami. Ay, sus Maria. Oh, dyan ka, dyan ka. Sige, mag-dating mo.
Makapanervous
Yes.
mo dito?
Pauning na.
Ayan, palakpakan naman dyan!
Yak, dirty.
Madi. Tapos nakanumot ang muti at kasya.
I'm gone. Charot lang.
Tapos na po.
She's gone out of my life. I was wrong. I'm to blame. I'm so untrue. Natatawa si Jimmy. I can live without her love. In my life,
Go, Tin. Oh, wala bang feelings yan?
there's just an empty space. Oh, my dreams are lost. I'm wasting away. Forgive me, 'cause won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me for all I've done to you? Lady, oh lady. Kuya Chris, pasok.
She's gone out of my life. Oh, she's gone I find it so hard to go on. I really miss the girl, my love. Come back into my arms. I'm so alone. I'm begging you. I'm down on my knees. Forgive me, girl.
Talagang pinapahirapan niyo kami, sir, ah. Parang nawawala yung manok natin, ano, pag may ano, compliments.
Won't you save me? My heart belongs to you. Lady, can you forgive me for all I've done to
Exhibition! Pambawi!
Sige, sige. Alright! Ayan. Thank you so much.
Thank you!
Yes, sir. Maraming salamat.
O, ano pang ginagawa mo?
Awan lang
Maningil ka na.
maagpalakpakan na po.
Siyempre.
Ayun.
At syempre,
Salamat po sa
Sir,
tatlong pumalak.
Kasi nung oras ang kakurang.
Ayun!
At
Dahil
Sa kantang She's Gone, nagbigay sila ng 1,100 pesos! Itakbo! Itakbo! Itak-itak! Itakbo! 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 Split ah!
kaya ko yan.
Split! Takbo!
Ay, kinaltagan kayo, sir. Sir,
Kumaldag.
kumaltag siya.
Dahil hindi kinaya ng split, kumaldag na.
Oo.
Hindi, may rayuma kasi siya ngayon.
Hindi
nakatake ng gamot. Oo, hindi siya nakatake ng gamot, kaya ano,
Hindi siya nakaplanax.
kumaldag na lang.
Okay. And this time I'd like to give you a song from Brian Adams and
Kelly Clarkson.
Hindi. Si ano yan?
And
si
Justin Bieber.
Brian Adams.
Barbara
and
Streisand.
Yeah.
Okay. Ayan. Sayawin naman ni Mama MJ at saka ni anong pangalan?
Sir Gerhan.
Sir Gerhan. Kakaiba yung mga pangalan nyo, ha? Okay. Sige.
Finally found someone who knocks me off my feet. Finally found the one who makes me feel complete.
Started over coffee. Started out as friends. It's funny how from simple things the best things begin.
This time is different. It's all because of you. It's better that it's ever been. Speaking, talking true.
My favorite line was, can I call you sometime? It's all you have to say
To take my breath away. This is it. Oh, I finally found someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night.
'Cause whatever I do,
It's just got to be you.
my life has just begun. I finally found someone.
Finally found someone. Did I give you waiting? I apologize.
It's fine.
I would wait forever just to know you were mine. To know I was your hand.
It's right. Isn't it too tight?
You're exceptional. I can't wait for the rest of my life.
Someone to share my life. I finally found the one to be with every night. 'Cause whatever I do,
It's just got to be you. Oh,
my life just has begun. I finally found someone.
oh, it's just got to be you.
My life has just begun.
I finally found someone. I finally found someone.
All right. All right. I finally found someone. And this song from Barbara Streisand and
Kelly Clarkson.
and Brian.
Brian.
Brian
Yes.
Adams. Okay.
Ayan. Palakpakan tayo man apo. Ay, handa pa yung natamaan.
Okay, and sige. Yung uhaw at saka lason mong halik.
Yes. Request daw ni Sir na, Sir ano?
Ano? Si
Sir.
Sir...
Sir? Si Sir na ano, asawa ni Ma'am.
Jerhan.
Sir Jerhan.
Okay.
Ayan.
Anong
Uhaw.
Anong
At
unahin natin?
lason daw po.
Lason. Okay.
Ayan, eto na po yung
Last song.
request mo, Sir
Last
Jerhan.
Minsan natikman ang init ng iyong halik. Akala ko narating ko na ang ulap sa langit. Sa aking pagpikit, ang tanging naisip, ikaw na sa hanggang wakas ang aking pag-ibig. Ngunit biglang nagbago ka, hindi na madama. Kapag kapiling na kita, nalalamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig, na ang akala ko ay langit? Nilaro-laro mo lamang ang pusong naiidlip. Sa yakap mo ay nakayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Hanggang ngayon hinahanap pa rin ang lason mong halik. Apoy nagkatirati, kay init ng liyak. Agad akong nadadarang kapag ikaw ay umakap. Ngayon'y nag-iisa, laging nilalamig, na wala na ang lahat-lahat. Ito'y naging panaginip, ngunit biglang nagbago ka. Hindi na madama kapag kapiling na kita, nalalamig ka na. Bakit ganyan ang iyong pag-ibig, na ang akala ko ay langit? Nilaro-laro mo lamang ang puso na iidlip. Sa yakap mo ay nakayuma, pag-iwas ay di ko na kaya. Ayun. Last
Sino yung
song na yun.
nag-request? Sino yung nag-request?
Si Sir.
Si Sir,
Sir.
Sir
Papa,
Jerhan. Sir Jerhan.
Asan ka, Sir Jerhan?
Ito po, nasa likod ni ma'am. Uhaw pa'y ka no, ate.
Uhaw.
Oo. Lumalpas ka no,
Ako din, uhaw na.
Madimi
Ako-
kaya ti arak, sir. Pangtad kalata igatang maid.
Okay. Medyo, mahina ang signal.
Oo. Baka naman po pwede maki-wifi. Charis.
Wow, uhaw. Ano tong lyrics niya sa una?
Sabik
Sabik ng
mahalikan.
Sino ba yung nag-request nito?
Si Sir po. Si Sir,
Sir Jerhan.
Sir Jerhan, magkatabi lang kayo ni Mama MJ, tapos sabik kang mahalikan, yung
payakap
yung halikan
ka't
ni
masayaw sa
si Ma'am
ulan.
MJ. Sige, halikan muna, sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Sige. Ang tahimik, palakpak naman! Ayan! Dapat i-exercise natin yung mga kamay natin. Arms.
Sa ng halikan, mayakap at masayaw sa ulan ng mundo'y gagaan. Mundo ko'y gagaan. Malikaw man ang landas ay hahanapin ang kalsada patungo sa'yo. Ikaw ang daan. Dumilim man ang paligid ay ikaw pa rin ang ilaw ko. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Bakit uhaw sa iyong sayaw? Bakit ikaw hindi bibitaw sa iyong sayo? Laging ikaw ako'y giniginaw. Halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Nananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. Hindi na mapakali, puso'y nang mamadaling lambingin at siyuin ka. O aking giliw ako'y iyo. Kahit pa matalisod, mapagod at bumigay ang tuhod, di ako'y hinto. Ikaw aking tulong. Mawala man ang anino ko, nandito ka, o ilaw ko. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. Bakit ikaw sa iyong sayaw? Bakit ikaw bibitaw sa iyong sayo? Laging ikaw ako'y bibigin na. Halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Nananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. Nauuhaw, naliligaw, nanliligaw, umiiyaw, nalulunod sa kada talutot ng pagkatao mo. Nakakatulala ko na bawat ikas ng labi mo. mo nauuhaw, sumisigaw. Bakit uhaw sa iyong sayaw? Bakit ikaw hindi bibitaw sa iyong sayo? Laging ikaw ako'y giniginaw. Halika rito, dito ka lang sa tabi ko. Mananatiling uhaw, uhaw, uhaw. Ayan. Ayan. That was a song coming from...
Sir, ayun. Marigo.
Dilaw. Ayan.
Dilaw.
Dedicated to Sir Jerhan and to
Dilaw.
Mom MJ Ventura.
Thank you, sir.
Ginagawa mo dyan.
Ang picture ta, damdamalatan, sir.
Oy!
Dito.
Alam mo,
Dyan.
mabenta ka ngayon.
Dapat lang.
Kanina. Dapat lang.
Ayan!
Ano to?
Siyempre, dahil sa kantang
Dason at saka yung uhaw.
nagbigay si Sir Jerhan ng 1,000 pesos!
Ulitin mo yung ginawa mo, ah.
Ako na.
Alright!
Sipag.
Maraming salamat po.
Ayan. Thank you so much!
Bakit kaldag ka ng kaldag?
Ayun lang yun.
Mailiw.
Dumadami na.
Baka lumabas yung
Lumalabas
laban
yung
mo.
mga ibang, ano mo, talent.
Malakas siya ngayon kasi kanina pa kain ng kain.
Oo. Pagdating ko pa lang
Nangan namin iti
nagmerienda.
ulo, ti manok tatay.
Ay, ulo. Basta ulo.
Adungo ulo.
Mahilig ka talaga sa ulo ng
Endam.
manok.
Mm. Ayan, may mga request pa ba?
Oo.
Or baka gusto niyo pong sumayaw?
Ayan. Ayan, baka daw pa request mo, Sir Jerhan. Sir
Iso na
Ronald.
lang.
Sir Ronald. At saka,
Yung mga nasa
yung iba
labas,
dyan.
baka may mga request.
Alam niyo, parang ayaw na nila mag-request kasi alam nila may bayad.
Uy! Uy, hindi naman.
Hindi po namin
Libre lang po yung mag-request,
Libre
sir,
lang po.
ma'am.
Kung meron,
Oo.
edi go.
Kung may bibigay po, okay lang po. Kung wala, okay.
Okay lang
No
din.
pressure.
Oo.
Pero dapat meron lang. Yan. Sir,
Or si Ma'am MJ, baka may request. Siomay? Ano pong sauce? Spicy.
siomay.
Siomay.
Jopay daw. Oh, request ni...
Jopay?
Jopay.
Sige, bigyan na natin agad-agad.
Oo. Yan, Ma'am MJ yung request mo. Ma'am MJ.
Sino yung nag-request ng Jopay? Oh, wala na.
Si Ma'am
Wala
M-
tuloy wala tuloy yung amin. Narinig ko yung nag-request.
Si Ma'am MJ
Uy,
yung
alam mo,
nag-request.
pag ganyan yung boses mo,
Dito,
ano?
dito sa table nila, Ma'am MJ.
Ang laki.
Oo.
Ako nga, hindi ko alam
Siomay.
pag ganito
Oh, Jopay daw. Siomay. Siomay masarap yun.
Siomay?
Oo, Siomay King.
Oo, siomay yung
Siomay.
sabihin mo.
Jopay King.
Oo.
Yes, sino pong nag-request ng siomay?
Siomay
Ma'am
with chili
MJ.
sauce.
Ano po?
Ito na po
Japanese
yun,
for
ma'am.
beef.
Hoy,
Yes,
magsipalakpakan
para
kayo
po sa
dyan.
nag-request ng siomay.
Palakpak! Palakpak kayo dyan.
Ayan,
Gusto ko
pwede.
yung malakas.
Pwede po kayong magwala.
Siomay.
Siomay.
Kumusta ka na?
Ito, masarap pa.
Lagi kita pinapanood at nakikita. Siomay, pasensya ka na.
Uy, Bisaya ka dahil pasensya.
Wala rin kasi akong makausap at kasama. Huwag ka lang mawala. Huwag ka lang mawala. Huwag ka lang mawala. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa
sa tunay na mundo.
Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay, di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo.
Sa tunay na mundo. Buti ka pa, palagi kang masaya. Jopay, buti na lang. Dahil ka, hindi na ako nag-iisa. Huwag ka lang mawala.
Huwag ka lang mawala.
Huwag ka lang mawala.
Huwag ka lang mawala.
Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo.
Yes! Ayan! The Rhythm Station! For RG! RG Alin! Charlotte keyboard! Gio on bass! Bobby on drums!
Mawala. Huwag ka lang mawala. Ngayon, dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Dadalhin kita sa aming bahay. Di tayo mag-aaway, aalis tayo sa tunay na mundo. Sa tunay na mundo.
Once again, that's
Alright.
also dedicated to Mom MJ.
Yes.
Maraming salamat po sa pag-request.
Ayan! At kunin mo na!
Hoy, kagsingiran! Charot.
Kasingiran.
Para singir, ayan.
Thank you so much po, sir.
Ano pa yung ma'am? Sir, ang nag-request pa eh. Sir? Wonderful tonight.
Hoy, wala. Wala namang ganyan.
Si Sir, para ba? Uy, wag kang manuntok.
Ikaw naman, cool.
Wonderful tonight. Sige.
Wonderful tonight.
Request lang ng request dyan.
Di ko kayo tagsala, sir. Padi kami, mabali may sala,
Ayan.
sir.
Madias.
At showdown ta, sir, iso.
Sure.
Pwede kayo. Pwede po kayo sumayaw dito sa...
Yes, yan para po sa nag-request ng Wonderful Tonight. Sir, pwede po kayong sumayaw.
Ayan.
Uy, mga lakayumat partner yun, ah.
Ayan, pwede mong sumayaw si Sir Gerhan tsaka si Ma'am MJ.
Huwag niyong sayangin yung tugtog, sir. Sumayaw po kayo.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup, brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks me, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight. I feel wonderful because I see the love light in your eyes, and the wonder of it all is that you just don't realize how much I love you.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si Sir Gerhan and Ma'am MJ.
It's time to go home now.
Oy, sir, dito. Ilagay mo na dito.
So I gave her the car keys.
Ayan, baka naman pa ng Vitor
She
Apo.
helps me to bed. And then I tell her, as I turn out the light, I say, my darling, you were wonderful tonight. Oh, my darling, you were wonderful tonight.
Yes, ayan. Palakpakan naman natin sila,
Teta,
sir and ma'am.
Mang Ted ni
Teta,
Mang Ted ni
Mang Ted.
Sir.
Manted.
Yan, eto na. Bubunot na si sir.
Ayun, bubunot na si
Ayun,
Sir.
tumasabot ni Philippine Manin, Sir.
Yes, ayan.
Bye.
Maraming salamat po, sir.
Ayan.
Ikaw pa, sir.
Sa bali
Sabali mo
peking
ka
ka,
dyan,
sir. Sa bali peking niya.
Hoy, sometimes lang po, hindi po lagi. Hindi po kami mukhang pera.
Yes,
Minsan
may,
lang.
may request si Apo Bukal Aladin.
Ayan, syempre, thank you so much kay
Hanggang
Sir.
daw, hanggang.
Ayan, baka the request ni Sir Apo.
Hanggang.
Daddy po ni Ma'am MJ yon. Daddy mo, ma'am? Ayan.
Ayan.
Anong pangalan po ni Sir? Si Sir Jaime.
Sir Jaime.
Ayun.
Sir Jaime.
Salamat po sa compliments.
Yes. And of course, to Ma'am Mildred
Parang
also.
saya-saya mo, ah.
Parang di imba na.
Napasigaw nga eh.
Di matagal na kasi hindi siya nakakakita ng ano.
Oo. Matagal na po.
Oo. Kaya,
Ngayon lang uli.
nagulat siya.
And anyway, once again, thank you so much
Nagulat,
for the
yes.
compliments.
Nagulat siya sa gray.
Oo.
Gray money.
Oo.
Napatili siya eh.
Sino yung nag-request ng hanggang?
Hanggang.
Eh, Apo Bukal Aladdin.
Apo Bukal!
Andyan ba?
Diyan po, diyan po.
Hanggang.
Ayan. Amo yun ni
Okay.
Apo Bukal Aladin. Iso ti kakagapuan iti... Ano?
Ayan, patayuin naman natin si Sir. Ayun.
Ayun pala si
Napaka-pogi ni Sir!
Nagwapo na.
Sir,
Kahit walang
baka-
ilaw. Alam
Mas
nyo, kahit
maganda sir
walang,
kung pupunta po kayo dito sa harap.
kahit walang ilaw, gwapo si Sir.
Baka gusto mo kumanta, sir.
Paano na yan pag may
Yes, sir.
spotlight ka, Sir?
Siyempre, gwapo na.
Galante pa.
Oo.
Send heart.
Yan, ito-try po namin yung hanggang, sir.
Sige, try natin yung hanggang. Hanggang kaya. Hanggang saan yung ano? Aabot yung...
Kaya ni
Yung
Sir.
request. Hanggang meron si Glessy.
Oh, andyan
Yes,
siya
sir.
naniningin.
Sir
Iba na yung
Aladin. Magandang gabi po.
Ilang ulit mo na itinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan. Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal. Hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa aking daigdig. Hanggang may musika kong tinataglan, ika'y iniibig. Giliw, wag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Hindi ko magagawa lumayo sa iyong piling. Nais ko malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang ang diwa ko'y tanging sa'yo lang mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggang may himig pa ako naririnig dito sa aking daigdig. Hanggang may musika ko tinataglan, ika'y iniibig. Giliw, wag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Hindi ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang may puso akong marunong magmahal, ng sinisigaw ay lagi ng ikaw. Hanggang saan, hanggang kailan kitang mahal, hanggang ang buhay ko'y kunin ng may kapal. Giliw, wag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw. Hanggang may pag-ibig laging isisigaw, tanging ikaw.
Yes.
Yes, maraming salamat.
Sir,
Ayan.
Sir Aladdin!
Tapos
Asan
na
na
po
si
yung
Sir?
kanta.
Kaya
Ayun.
tanong umayon.
Ito na si Sir.
Siyempre.
Umayan. Ano?
Ayun. Makita tayo,
Ikagalante na ni Apo.
Oo.
Aladdin.
Apo Bukal.
Yan.
Sir?
Ayun, don't forget to remember me. Magiging singer po ba?
Ayan, sino po yung guest singer po natin? Sir?
Apo,
Apo
Principal.
Principal.
Oh.
Kung nagtupay nga ni Apo Principal ngamin, na nakakikita ka ni Apo
Ayan.
Principal.
Ayan, eto.
Jay Escuela.
Siya yung kakanta ng Don't
Hindi,
Forget
basta-
to Remember, sir.
Makikita ka, Jay
Basta
Escuela.
nagkanta man ni Apo Principal Idin. Kung nagtupay nga,
Sir, anak kantaem, sir.
ay wen, idin ni Kwa. Si Aloha ya, sir. Kung mo
Aloha
nagtupay,
ka.
matandaan na. Oh. Asan na yung mic ni sir?
Ayun
Mic,
na.
please.
Hoy. Ayan, palakpakan naman po natin si sir.
Hello. Ala, gagayim kan kakabsat, gaputa agpapadatay amin nga may nakipagrambak, nakipagragragsak, iti dito nga tilaong, iti dito nga pamilya, karaang family, in their laudable occasion tonight. Happy birthday to them and to each and every one of us. And that's all. Hello. Hello. Alano kas pagarigan ada pagkurkurangan na kantahin yun to Jablayon. Apo Aladin, iti board member tayo. Ingungutin tayo nga board member iti Ilocos Norte. Detoy apo, alahang kumet panangi kasla panangi pagangem dito iti sumarsaruno nga mayor. Amman. Katuging, ala, ibagayon. Ibagayon. Okay. Oh, my heart won't believe that you have left me. I keep telling myself what is true. I can get over anything you want, my love, but I can't get myself over you. Don't forget to remember me and the love that used to be. I still remember you. I love you. In my heart lies a memory to tell the stars above. Don't forget to remember me, my love. My wall lies a photograph of you, girl. Though I try to forget you somehow, you're the mirror of my soul. So take me out of my own. Let me try to go on living right now. Don't forget to remember me and the love that used to be. I still remember you. I love you. In my heart lies a memory to tell the stars above. Don't forget to remember me, my love. I love you. Okay.
Ayan, palakpakan po naman natin si Sir. Ayan, gusto niyo pa po ba ng isa? Ayan, may isa kanupay, Sir. Kung may side A, may side B daw po, Sir. Kung may number 1, may number 2. Ganon. Para
Okay.
lang sa ano,
Kung may side A,
may side A.
may
side
side B. Kung may side B,
May side A.
may side B. No si Balasi.
Wow. Ayan. Palakpakan naman dyan!
Dito no si Balasi, kantada ijay, Waikiki, Hawaii. Itidimano nito'y, sino ba sila?
Sino ba sila?
Kung kunak lang dito.
Ayan. Sino nga ba sila, Sir?
Jay lang, kanta lang di Jay. The words, the title, and the song. No, don't think of very deep.
Oh.
Just think the
Very
song.
high.
Yeah.
Hi.
Don't take it seriously. Just be happy. Oh. Sayawan
Hello.
na!
Sala ka, sir.
sila.
Sayaw ang principal.
Ituloy mo lang kung ang gusto mo. Malaman kung sila'y papansinin mo. Talagang ganyan, wag mo lang patulang. Wala nang magawa, sila'y nagkakaganyan. Nosy pala. Sino ba sila? Nosy pala. Sino ba sila?
Ayan, palakpakan natin si Sir.
Nosy pala. Sino ba sila? Nosy pala. Sino ba sila? Nosy pala. Sino ba sila? Nosy Malasi. Sino ba sila?
Alright.
Totoo yung sinabi ni Sir. Tayo na yung magtutuloy ng kanta niya. Ayan, anyway, thank you so much, Sir, for jamming here.
Ayan. Siyempre, tawagin naman natin si Mr. Orly. Kayo po si Sir Orly. Ayan. Ang kakantahin niya ay Unwell.
Anuel.
Sige.
Ayan. Palakpakan naman natin si Sir Orly. Ayan. Magbibigay daw si Sir.
Sandali lang po, tignan po namin kung ano.
Isa-search po namin yung sir.
Sir.
Search namin. Yung lyrics.
Gcash. Okay lang po. Google.
Talagang yung mga kanta ng mga kuya natin, medyo pampata. Nosy Balasi, tapos Unwell.
Well, wonderful tonight. Request nila.
Mars, para sa'yo to.
Ayan, kung may mga gusto pa pong makijam.
Pakilista lang.
Sir, ayan, palakpak! Magsipalakpakan naman! Hey!
Our contender from Katugig.
San Nicolas.
Sandali, hindi daw niya makita. Iano natin. Picture na lang.
day, staring at the ceiling, making fringe with shadows on my wall. All night, hearing voices telling me that I should get some sleep, because tomorrow might be good for something. Hold on, feeling like I'm headed for a breakdown, and I don't know why. But I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you can't tell, but stay a while and maybe then you'll see a different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me and how I used to be. Me, talking to myself in public, dodging glances on the train. And I know they all been talking about me. I can hear them whisper, and it makes me think there must be something wrong with me. Out of all the hours thinking, somehow I've lost my mind. But I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you can't tell, but stay a while and maybe then you'll see different side of me. I'm not crazy, but little impaired. I know you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me and how I used to be. I've been talking in my sleep. Pretty soon they come to get me. Yeah, they're taking me away. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little unwell. I know right now you can't tell, but stay a while and maybe then you'll see different side of me. I'm not crazy, I'm just a little impaired. I know right now you don't care, but soon enough you're gonna think of me and how I used to be. Yeah, how I used to be. How I used to be. How I used to be. Well, I'm just a little.
Alright. Sige.
Yun.
Ayan.
Ayan, at may pa-side A si
Oo.
sir na ano, boys do fall in love.
Yes, and stand by for the song Always Remember Us This Way. Stand by lang po.
Boys do fall in love.
Everybody knows I like to be one way or the other. Nobody wins without once giving in, so don't cry now. Don't cry now. Love is just a game you play in high school. Girls know how to be cruel. Most of the time, girls are cruel to be kind, so don't cry now. Oh, don't cry now. And we try to be cool as we dance in a crowded room. At the end of the day, making love to a paper moon. And she said, boys do fall in love. Take me time, take a love on a Saturday night. And she said, heartbeat, I think dance in the street to a radio. Boys fall in love. Baby knows I like to be excited. No one wants to fight it. It's getting late, so I'll just demonstrate. Don't cry now. Oh, don't cry now. And we try to be cool as we dance in a crowded room. At the end of the day, making love to a paper moon. She said, boys do fall in love. Take me time, they get love in a Saturday night. And she said, heartbeat, I think that's in the street to the radio. Boys fall in love.
All right, thank you so much, Sir Arlie. Ayun.
Eyes. And at ito na nga yung request nila. Always remember us this way.
And this song is dedicated
To Mr. Oliver Karaang of Honolulu, Hawaii.
Asan ba si Sir Oliver?
Oh, send
Ay, ang buy-buya dapat.
Send Gcash na lang.
Gcash na lang po. Ay, dyan naman si
Ma'am MJ.
Oo.
And once again, this song is dedicated to Sir Oliver Karaang.
That Arizona sky burning in your eyes. You look at me and babe, I wanna catch on fire. It's buried in my soul like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Love is in the night, poets try to write. We don't know how to write, but don't we try? But all I really know is where I wanna go. To part of me that you will never die. So when I'm all jumped up, I can find the words. Every time we say this way. Oh yeah, I don't wanna be just a memory, babe. Ooh, 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 so when I'm all choked up, but I can't find the words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. When the sun goes down and the band will play, I'll always remember us this way. Oh yeah, when you look at me and to hold our face, I'll always remember us this way. Okay, and that song is dedicated once again to Sir Oliver from Hawaii. Ayan, kung nanonood ka mga ngayon, sir. Ayan. Pwede mong padala yung... Alam mo na.
Yan.
Oh. Ano ma'am? Ano sabi?
A dollar daw,
Ma'am,
dollar.
Ma'am, ano sabi ni Sir Oliver?
Dollar.
Okay.
Dolores. Ayan, baka may mga request pa po tayo dyan na tinatago. Sir?
Ano?
Di kita daduma, sir. Mabaling pa request po. Ano po? Birthday? Sino po may birthday? Waning. Baruga. Baroga, sir?
Barayuga.
Waning.
Barayuga?
Waning.
Ay, Juanito. Sir Juanito, Barayuga.
Maraming barayuga sa amin dun sa ano, sa...
Doon sa Raraburan. Oo. Ay, Raraburan.
Kantahan po natin siya, sir.
Okay, and this time I'd like to give you a song from Casey.
Casey.
Kambingan.
Charot. Casey Tandingan.
Alam ko, gusto ko yung ano, yung Casey na rice. Oo.
I was down, my dreams were everything. When you're lost, where do you begin? My heart always seemed to drift from day to day, looking for the love that never came my way. Then you smile, then I reach out to you. I could tell you love me too. One look, and then it all began for you and me. The moment that we touched, I knew that there would be two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of all the people in the world, I just can't believe you're mine. In my life where everything was wrong, something fine went right. Now there's two less lonely people in the world tonight. Just to think what my head missed. Looking back, how did I exist? I dreamed, still I never thought I'd come this far. But miracles come true. I know 'cause here we are, two less lonely people in the world, and it's gonna be fine. Out of
uhaw. Ay,
Ayan.
sino yun?
Oo, may request na uhaw at saka halaga.
Ay, yung
Ano ba
halaga.
yung halaga?
Oo, halaga.
Hilaga.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
Sino po yung
daw
may
po.
birthday?
Si Sir Juanito Barayuga. Happy birthday.
Ayan, isa nga. Bagsa ka naman dyan.
Birthday.
Sige, kantahan natin. Yes, and behalf of the Karaang family and the R&B and the Side Street Band, we'd like to greet a happy birthday to
Sir Juanito Barayuga.
Asan ka, Sir Juanito?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Dito kasi.
To
Happy birthday!
Sir Juanito,
Ay.
any message po?
Sir,
Baka may ano.
ilan taong ka na?
Ayun.
Ilan taong ka na?
Age reveal po.
Ilan taong ka na, sir?
60.
Kala ko 16 lang kasi...
Kulang pa yung ngipin ni
Hindi
sir.
kasi,
Ay.
hindi ba tumubo yung lahat ng ngipin ni
Oo.
sir?
60.
Bata pala. Bata pa si sir,
Kaya
kulang
nagpapatawa
pa.
lang ako, sir. Dito ka ang kulit ni sir.
Age
Ah,
doesn't matter.
Di ka makatala.
Wala.
Anamat ti masaong tatanga birthday mo, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, di putot mo, gibit.
Friends.
Ano pa po?
Thank you kada kayo amin na po nga dito nga tilaong. Kati celebrant dito birthday advance. Thank you po.
Ayan, palakpakan naman natin si
Sir Juanito.
Okay, and maraming salamat. Okay.
Ayan,
Ayan.
baka dapat birthday dito ako.
Sir, dahil birthday mo ngayon, anong gusto mong tugtugin namin?
Oh, baka may request ka, sir. Labis ko bang nasaktan, sir?
O kaya nauuhaw na si Sir? Uhaw. Oo, kanina pa nauuhaw si Sir. Ayan, and...
Gabay daw, o gabay.
Gabay.
Oh, yun.
O gabay. Sige,
Dahil
gabay niyo po kami.
Gabay daw. Gabay.
Oo, yung gabay na lang.
Sayong gabay. Bakit gabay?
Ano po yan, sir?
Hawak gabay.
O can't be with you tonight daw.
Ayun. Can't be with you.
Apay kastamot ti kantamot. Kuya.
Apay sir.
Napagdaldalanan
Baka may namimiss siya.
But kunala ka ni DJ Mesa, can't be with you tonight. Siyempre, birthday na itanta. Nagkita.
Ayan.
Handad ka ita.
Sir, ikaw po ba yung kakanta? Sir?
Kayo po yung kakanta, Sir? Ay, kami. Kangarot bangalat partner mo, takantaan ta kasi.
Yes.
Kamahan kami, mawali nga isa
Get
lang,
your
Sir, ah.
partner.
Bawal po.
Matigarot, Sir.
Matigaron
Ana! Sarsar kanyo. Dan apo kapitan dita.
Ada pinapubukal dita.
Ayan, sige.
If my
wasn't here with me tonight, I would leave with you for just a little while. But I love him the same way as I love you now. And I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight. Though I want to hold you in my arms tonight,
Agsala ka na, sir.
I wouldn't take the chance, 'cause it won't be right. Maybe when we meet again some other time, 'cause tonight I'll only share my love with him. So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. Alright.
Once again, happy birthday, Sir Oliver.
Sir Juanito Barayuga.
Juanito Palasot po. Luta.
Dahil sa sitwasyon.
Ito kasi, situation sabi ko kasi.
So please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you. If I could be in two places at the same time, believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you. Believe me, I would share my love with you.
Ayan, once again to Sir Juanito Barayuga.
Yes.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Team song niya yung ano, Can't Be With You Tonight, sabi niya. Sa kanyang...
Bakit? Ano po bang sitwasyon yun ng...
Sitwasyon. Siyempre.
Sitwasyon.
At syempre, ito, may request sila kanina na gabay.
Ayun yung request pa nilang
Gabay daw.
hawak gabay.
Yes, para pa sa nag-request ng gabay.
Kamay yun.
Kamay pala yun.
Kabay yun, hindi kabay.
Gabay.
Ang kulit. Ayan, ito yung request ni Sir
Gabay.
Jerham. Ayan, gabay.
Ang ganda ng
Oo.
Masarap din po yun.
So, ibig sabihin, maraming dirham si Sir. Dirham. Dollars pala.
Parang pera yung...
Graham.
Oo,
Graham.
Graham.
Masarap.
Masarap din yun.
Mm-mm.
And this time, I'd like to give you another special request. Coming from Sir Dirham. Dirham.
Okay, ito na yung gabay!
Yes, sayaw mo na! Naririnig sa'yo sa pagdaing mo sa mundo ang katahimikan malayo sa gulo. Sa inosenteng mga mata makikita pa kita na ang kamunduan walang pangangamba. Humawak ka lamang sa aking kamay nang matuklasan ng ganitong buhay. Ingatan ka, di pa ba